Why have small businesses moved away from corporations? Almost all family small businesses these days, or a lot of them anyway, are LLCs. They're the very common structure. And you may be wondering, why do we move away from corporations? Corporations generally have a very formal structure. If you look at the corporate code in your state or applicable law, they often tell you how to do things, right? You need to be formed this way. You're going to have a board of directors unless you opt out. You're going to have annual meetings. The shareholder votes are going to happen certain ways. Formality, formality, formality. And most small businesses just don't want to deal with that. They want to be formed legally. They want some of the benefits of an entity, right? They want the potential to have a firewall for assets and liabilities, which is generally achievable with an LLC, to separate your personal assets from your business assets, to have separate accounting and bookkeeping, to potentially eventually grow the company enough that it can have its own loans and do its own things without connecting to your personal life, right? You want that kind of growth and formality in the business, but at the same time, you don't want all that formality. That's why most people are picking the LLC structure these days, because it's just simpler and easier to use. The corporation is an old stalwart. It's been there a long time, and it works fine for liability purposes in general, but those formalities, having the meetings, talking about that kind of stuff becomes more difficult. So that's why we're moving to an era of LLCs. That trend is still continuing. Plus, I personally, as a business law practitioner, just love the flexibility that comes with an LLC, of moving things around, of having meetings when we want to have them, and really the flexibility of the things we can put in the operating agreement, things we pick and choose. Are you thinking about business in the future? If so, and you have general questions, go ahead and drop them below. But remember, the comments are public, so don't put anything confidential in there. And I hope you subscribe to the channel so that we can chat more in the future about business and business law. Look forward to seeing your comments.